On the 14th of April 2014, for the sleepy community of Chibok for northeastern Nigeria for Borno State, Boko Haram Jaguda people bus enter government girls secondary school, come pack over 200 girls. We don't know the exact figure because na permutation and plus or minus we dey do. But after 365 days, it be like say now 219 girls now in the loss, and we still dey find them till today. Many people don't ask the question, say, should the girls they really truly lost? Other people they also they talk say, it be like say our government, some people use them to set them up, make it be like say they know they work. And the question when they ask you now whether these girls go ever come back home. Not be only these Chibok girls they miss. Since then, a lot of young people, women, that is children and girls, don't also follow the same pattern, take loss. On top of us, see the hot today, we go chook mouth to analyze the matter. So look from the beginning to the end to see whether, yes, for this situation, the girls go ever come back home. My name is Ezugo Chokwote. I don't need to introduce my brother. Una don't see him from the wide shot.
Yes, good morning, Nigerians, and welcome to today's edition of Ask It Dey Hot. Chibok girls on 1 year remembrance. Now, with now, my name now Nkubi. Now, welcome.
Yes, we don't go waste too much time. You self go join us to contribute for this matter. Remember, say we don't raise what people they call pertinent questions. That's not important questions. Whether these girls they really lost, if we look the matter well, and whether people use and set our government up, make it be like say they no work, or government no even show seriousness at all, and whether these girls go ever come home. When we throw our telephone lines open, you self join us to chook mouth for the matter. Remember, say as the only television station, we like you, and we go for use key goats to use make pepper soup for you. We knock una with 3 telephone lines. Come top them up with toll-free line. Waiting be toll-free line. You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go dey pay. We dey on top of Twitter too at TV As It Dey Hot, and we get website where if you send us email, we dey see all this email we una dey send. We thank una as it dey hot at wazobiatv.tv. Nkubi,
yes,
you be like say you go slim fit your own school uniform.
No. You are me and you know has to take figure them out.
No, me and you no figure anything out. My tailor different from your tailor. Because when we buy the material, my own, you now this style I thought I won't do. But it be like, hey, you can't want to do my own style. So
what they try to slim fit my own?
Say you copy my school uniform style now, because I won't do my own. You why you always they do waiting? I won't do my uniform like this to come out my muscle. You say from go do your own to why you be say okay, una don't win election now. You know go even want make person drink water, make drop cup. Today we discuss Chibok girls now. I wear uniform when hold my hand. You wear uniform when hold your hand too. Waiting be all this one now.
Oh, good God. I don't know it's not good. In fact, I don't get reply to this way they talk. This false, fallacious accusation they accuse me of. You wear school uniform, I wear school uniform, a batting.
But why your school uniform be like my own?
Just hold on there. Make we discuss the matter of today. Yes, well, as we don't introduce them, Chibok girls remembrance. Children are 1 year, but we can't look with the situations we can surround them afterwards. Okay, because we know say when the girls first waka, because if you look the situation, that the situation will lead to how the girls then take waka. It is so dramatic in a way. They say that is the sect we invade their school for Chibok. Invade in the form of say there be military officers carry trucks come. Cause me na wake up, make we come out here. Ordinarily, you no go blame the girls because you go feel say yes, maybe now on a rescue mission the army say they want relocate them to another safer ground because of how tense the state at that point be dey. So they follow until we no hear story and that is any information about them again. Then we can also hear say even before the whole thing happened, why the something was even going on, because according to the drama happened between 14th enter into 15. So as the drama they happen, say even this thing intelligence will even come and talk, say look, say they even say they don't inform some military, say look, one particular action they take place, so say may not go there like 4 hours even before they finally do it and come out there,
and nobody come.
You understand?
But Nkubi, more reason this matter. Make we even make am clear from the start. The girls, they don't get any blame for this matter.
No, they no get
them.
blame at all.
Because as it be like this for this issue, it can't be like say the only crime when these girls commit now because of say they won't get education to empower themselves, to enlighten themselves. We know they blame the girls at all. But make we can't look now. For those of us when we say we go command, we know what they call military intelligence. That is to say, we get people when we say that they snoop around for information. Could be you know go understand this thing.
No, get me. I dey hear you. I dey try follow you up. No, they tell me say and they no go understand. I understand you. Right on, please. Thank you.
I'm waiting.
No, because you now they talk.
The thing they do, I do sweetness.
They feel like the same way they feel, and so go ahead. Don't bring it. Don't make it personal.
So you get what they call intelligence gathering. That they gather intelligence. Now, we don't hear the story later. Come balance them. We put the state government for one side because the governor and the chief executive officer of the state. We can also put the presido and the Niger government on one side because now the commander in chief of the armed forces. But make we can look at our security people. People when snoop around, gather information, can't gather. They can't disseminate. The military term they use, they can't disseminate this information. Can't give una 4 hours. We don't hear anything. How these people when can't kidnap these girls, take drive, enter Chibok community, carry over 200 girls.
About this period, you know, say we also know say the state at that point they under waiting, they under
emergency rule,
state of emergency.
Yes, now
rule.
emergency
so which
rule.
Means,
No, calm down. Don't let it invest you. I know say the thing they pay you. Because it be like, hey, you know, based on say our.
No, I understand.
But we take am easy. But make we can't look at these girls now. Now WAEC they can't write. Now exam they can't write. And from the story we can emanate later, they talk say the body when they organize the examination, they write to the governor.
Yes.
Although claims can't come out, we know hear the real story. Say they write to the governor to warn them say they go need adequate security. Adequate security, but say this kind of security when they provide not be waiting they're supposed to provide at all, and the government can't give them assurance say nothing will happen to these girls. How people go wear camouflage military uniform, carry big truck, 200 people, no be 200 bags of pure water, 200 people now, women as in girls between the ages of 14 and 17, or maybe we even talk say 12 and 17 or 16. Una come pack 200 people enter truck, how they take drive enter Chibok for the full Boronu, drive for road one enter with military uniform. States when the emergency
rule, without anybody
no
stopping to interrogate and say who na be, when are they come from, when are they head to, at least investigate, carry out, check them well to know whether these people they come in, whether them be real people,
even if they wear military uniform. But people when carry over 200 girls, as they come,
as they enter, now so they also they come out.
That's now that's what they come out.
And nobody even question them.
When they come, they tell the girls say, "Oh yeah, we don't come rescue now." The children, innocent, they fear. They're gonna begin to join them. They say when they're gonna begin to burn their dormitory. Now they're gonna look say, when I come rescue us, when they burn our dormitory. You know where me I go first start to discuss this matter. Are they suspect? I go talk am. I go talk. Are they suspect? Say somebody for high place for inside that Boronu government in hand there inside this matter.
On the ground say because of say they don't be right to them, they no can do it. They
no
can assure them and say look, nothing will happen.
Yes.
And eventually something can still happen for that same place where the right give
when you assure them, something can happen. You know that one when you they pay me. Okay, after the thing happen, those of us when go command, we know military things. You know, say for intelligence, as per security, 24 hours, you go to what they call code red. If something happen under 24 hours,
they go don't declare, say,
sharp.
We don't define this person, we don't define this set of people.
The rescue, they
exactly.
Very high.
That is, they call
48 hours, the thing don't begin, the thing don't...
You don't they hype, you don't even they red.
We can't see people can't they politicize this issue. I know could be, I know not be say they blame you know they blame una people but I must talk the truth. You know what I mean? For this show now me they always they talk true. I'm answer always clean.
Your mouth sound like truth itself.
No, you know this.
No, go ahead.
Una come out. You know, I know not take them like this, but una come out, come to say, this thing, they arrange them, they set them up, they need this thing. All of us don't come together.
Look and well. Hold on, no, I'm not gonna let you.
You got to say I talk bad thing about you.
No, talk.
If I talk, you not a good thing.
Look and well. people we call the point finger say na arrange. Look and well. Take your clean mind. Look and well. Which angle you fall pass? Which angle you falling pass?
No, wait first.
Because we were on the ground say, look, make government join. Say after 48 hours, you know how long? You know how long it took? Hold on. You know how long?
But now una first say security dey.
You know how long?
But now una first say security.
They admit to that. You know how long you can't take even the federal government or Mr. President to even come do it. Talk on this matter.
Thank you very much. Nkubi.
Why would it take him that long?
Nkubi, you no go command. May I
forget command case right here. Forget command case. Why would
no, they tell me say make I forget command case.
Forget command case.
Forget command case. We discuss military and intelligence thing. They tell me say make I forget command case.
I said forget command case.
I want to bring my
Let us
military
be realistic. We are being real here.
this.
We are being real here. Let us be realistic on this.
No, be una promise say security dey first. Una promise say security
even
dey
after
first.
Saturday, the break can't happen. Waiting, how long? Why you take Mr. President that long? That long? You know how many days will it take? I mean, weeks.
Because
for us to even address on the issue, the commander-in-chief of the armed forces.
It's a military matter.
Instead, people not even come they voice out, come they talk. If you don't even say anything.
If to say una not to say security dey when they write una letter, this thing for no happen. Now una cause this thing. Look,
you don't do it. We don't do it. Make we just talk this thing like gentlemen. And going by the fact that we wear uniform and we can't look gentle in this uniform, make we respect ourselves now. Discuss this issue based on the fact say na very sensitive issue we cause for us to be gentlemen.
Thank you very much. Thank you for accepting saying una cause.
No, I never accept anything.
You must accept them because the right letter give una say we go need security. Una right letter back say the security dey. The thing can happen. Una can't blame.
Okay, it don't happen. When they come tell them to federal government because we say the gbege don't pass the state. Why go take government weeks to address am?
Who make the happen to happen? No be una make the happen to happen. Like say una no make the happen to happen. We forget this thing. Who could be? Forget this. Who could be?
Now I'll still make it very clear to you. If they talk now, we make the happen. Okay, fine. Let's declare state of emergency for a particular state. Military, they
partial state of emergency.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Okay.
I don't catch you there now.
No, hold on. Partial. Military. They is in very strategic places to make sure say anybody they pass anywhere, do it in, then they interrogate to
and
find
the governor and the chief security officer.
Hold on.
No, they tell me to hold on. No, they tell me to hold on.
In the first place, who be put that state of emergency for that state?
Thank you very much.
The federal government.
No ask question, answer them.
Whose command? Hold on. Who be the person where the military they give this thing to news to if anything happen for that state? No be still under the same military and federal government and this thing we give them the orders to make them go we put them in place there.
That's a lie.
What makes it a lie?
You are a liar.
You are a liar.
You are a liar.
In fact, you have the bigger lie mouth.
Your lie is bigger than my lie.
In fact, look at the word of your mouth. The word of your mouth, how wide your mouth is describes how big your lie is.
Your own lie carry weight. Now you can lie on top of this.
You know, see, every time you see the way they open eyes, your wrinkles all over the show say yes, you are an extreme big. That overrated liar.
No use my body cost me on top of this show.
You want to take my own body cost me, God?
No be you first start to the lie.
Which one coming? No be. You don't even stutter.
No be you first start to the lie.
I know admit say yes mistake happen.
Well, okay, if like say that mistake no happen, this thing we for dey discuss this thing here today. Why e be say mistake happen? After mess don dey smell, you come dey find who mess the mess. After mess don dey smell, you come dey find who mess the mess. You come dey blame the person wey get the house say why no put air freshener. After you don mess the mess.
Na bad thing for the owner of the house to go dey smell buds to know who mess the mess.
Why you go dey
to find out whether na from this person or from this person.
That's a different situation.
It is not because you brought it from the angle of mess. Okay, fine, the person don't mess the mess. Okay, I admit say okay, don't mess the mess. Or even if you not admit, the person, the owner of the house, not just okay. I want to find out who messed this mess. Can they smell, buds to find out who messed the mess?
Thank you very much. He don't show say now this plan. Now una think say una go fit use rescue those girls, and it will not work. Okay. You know why? Because Nkubi.
What be Nkubi? When they come and
military intelligence.
It's not they come and name
that. Us when go command.
If you are calling my name, call my name for a very good reason. Not just open your mouth and just keep calling Nkubi. When you don't have anything valuable, anything tangible to refer to the name or to tell to the individual you're calling.
Okay, Nkubi. Do your what? Nkubi. You go dey talk like say if the thing set, I know they fear you. No even think say because of say una don win election now, you go come dey do anyhow.
Right.
Because this is the rule of law. There is justice in this country. Okay. And besides all those many of those elections we will go tribunal. We will go and contest it. Okay. Don't even let me go inside that election matter because if I leave these Chibok girls go inside that election matter with all the files when I get, many of una go lose that election. Okay. But no be election with the talk. We'll talk about these Chibok girls. Okay. Thank you for admitting say now una make mistake now una cause this problem when we dey for inside today. If no be una when talk say okay security day we for no dey this problem when we dey. Thank you. May I move to the next one. Now some of e can't even show say Oga President una good man now. Person when we say lose election come make phone call say okay I accept that I've lost the election. That person in heart dey very very good. But now the people wey surround am some of una now una cause that problem. Okay, for me, we call the year gist say they don't rescue the girls. Who be the people who talk that? Who be the people? Who be the people?
No, you talk.
Now people who want spoil government.
Who be the people?
People who want spoil government.
Military.
No be.
Military release statement say they don't be free how many girls?
You tell them when they release them.
No be that release statement.
You tell them when they release them.
So what are you saying?
No be bad egg. When
if they release statement, who they go pass the statement to?
Which statement to?
Not be to government, federal government and co.
Who tell them when they release the statement?
Who tell them?
If it be una.
Who in the first place? Whose job is it to go do it? To go rescue the girls?
It's a collective effort.
Collective effort.
Yes.
But in the end, who plotted to release that statement?
Who said that?
It's not because of say people get that is transparent eye. That is eye where we say they fit see in between. Where we peer through. We for just accept say yes, those girls have been released. It's not because of say the parents of these girls say, now lie yo, we never see any girls when they rescue. They never rescue anybody.
You know what I like?
We for just there, they don't jubilate say yes, at least they don't rescue some of them.
You know how many times you use rescue for this statement where you don't make now? You use rescue 32 times. And that shows you the what? It shows you the mind when we say government put into that rescue. Because you just say rescue. From the day when we say una write letter say okay it's free, they can come and do their exam. These girls they can't move them. Our government sleepless night. Oga Jonah no go fit sleep. He call pastors, he call security, we call everybody. He say make they pray, make they walk. Then they plot military graph of Sambisa forest. No be that time Sambisa forest come very very popular. Our military they no storm that forest.
Okay, may I even ask you? Beautiful. Not be 11th hour this thing.
No be 11th hour.
When they invade, when they enter Sambisa.
Military tactics. You don't rush. You don't just rush.
Let me still take you back to the whole scenario, to the whole drama. Okay. How long do you think it must have taken the sect to move these girls from where they moved them from Chibok to Sambisa? When we say, we don't say
as the governor of Borno State.
And in between this period.
And he's your governor.
In between this period.
He's your governor.
No quick response to this action.
Which quick response?
Because
which quick response?
In developed countries, immediately this thing they happen, you don't see they don't send in their security for air everywhere. Helicopter don't they fly to track people down to know.
Who tell you say we no send all these things?
When now send that? After how many weeks?
You no go command.
After how many weeks?
You no go command.
China do where America can't come.
You no go command.
The special intelligence can't come.
Thank you.
That's why I can't done now. To say, okay, let us enter here.
Collaborative effort.
After how long?
How long?
After that, they hear him say the guys have been sold out.
We sold out.
They've been given out for. They don't give them out for marriage. For how much? For 2,000 naira.
As the Borno State governor.
For 2,000 naira.
As the Borno State governor, who is a member of your party. Yes, you know if you talk again now. You know if you talk. On top of this show, all of una, we go talk am the full Nigeria go here. That's it when we say una no gree we talk. Shebi we don set today. We dey talk am.
We dey talk am. We don dey talk am.
So 365 days after, we don dey talk the matter. All the things wey una no gree we talk since, we go talk am here today.
No,
and you go talk.
Talk am. They hit you. Talk am.
No spoil.
You wey dey hit table for me call. May we talk am. We don even dey talk am go. May we talk am. Right on. Talk. You want to talk? Talk. Because are they here ready for to also stand in into a drop? Go ahead. Don't look at me that way, young man. Don't look at me that way.
You are being aggressive.
You are being aggressive.
You are being aggressive.
You are being.
Now talk with the talk. You don't already take the thing like fight. Now talk with the talk. You don't already take the thing like fight. They frown like like who
Na
drink medicine.
why no go frown? You dey
drink medicine
open eyes.
when bitter.
Your head, your wrinkle don dey show. Dey open eyes for me. On what ground?
No use my body cause me.
You wey dey take say I dey frown,
na the thing wey I no dey like be that.
You wey talk say I dey frown, nko?
Our people wey dey for.
You wey talk say I dey frown, nko?
Allow me go break now.
You no
What
go
be this
that
one?
break. You no go that break. You wey dey talk say I dey frown, nko?
Our people wey continue. Our people wey dey for house. When we go this break, come back. I go show you
Instead
for
because
this
I say
show.
we
You
go
go see what I go do.